Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call Wise Man Lawyers. Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call Wise Man Lawyers. Don't face that court alone. Let the Wise Man team get you back on the road. Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call the Wise Man team at Wise Man Lawyers.
Alright, today I'm at Maryborough on the Fraser Coast, about 3 hours north of Brisbane. Client's been charged with high range drink driving, so what's called UIL, under the influence of liquor. That charge commences at 0.15, so when someone's DUI drink driving of a reading of 0.15 or over, it's deemed high range. My client's reading was 0.201, which is obviously well and truly above the starting point for high range, to the tune of 25%. He had no previous drink driving or drug driving history, but he did have a lengthy traffic history, and in this jurisdiction, Maryborough, you don't get light penalties. So basically, I warned the client that I'd go in guns blazing trying to get this thing down as low as possible, but we need to be realistic about where we are, and that we're not in a jurisdiction where people are given slaps on the wrist, and rightly so. Magistrates are here to enforce the law and deter persons from offending. So, but the reality is, this is the jurisdiction we're in, and we need to be realistic about the outcome. Ordinarily, persons who are unrepresented or come with solicitors that don't specialise in this type of law, I see them not getting much change out of 18 months to 2 years for this type of reading. I ordinarily push for 10 to 12 months. I'm lowballing it, but I always go in optimistic and going hard. But I did warn my client, again, this is the jurisdiction we're in. I'm lowballing it. I do not expect to get 10 to 12 months, but I'm going to push that as a starting point. And that's what I did. I spoke about the hardship that my client's suffering. Basically, he's worked in mining his whole life, and now he's lost that job. Recently separated, divorce, nasty custody dispute, difficult economic circumstances to begin with, and they're obviously going to be compounded while he's off the road and seeking work. Look, the short version is, I've got 14 months is what the magistrate gave, a little bit over the 10 to 12 I was pushing for, but as I said, I'm always optimistic when I push 10 to 12 for readings of 0.2 and above. And I did not genuinely expect to get anything less than 12 months today, and I made that clear to the client. And I did expect His Honour to, as I said, give something lengthier than the 10 to 12 months I sought. But given he did seem fit to go beyond that, I'm quite pleased with the notional amount by which he's done it. So 14 months, again, not 10 to 12, but still a very good outcome nonetheless. Given the reading, given the jurisdiction, and given his lengthy traffic history, he's happy. As I said, he made a mistake. He knew that there was a consequence to come, and he's got an outcome that's obviously a lot less than the 18 months to 2 years that he may have otherwise got. So anyway, once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call the Wise Man team at Wise Man Lawyers.